Ayan na, uwi na kami.
Good day guys, good day.
May work tomorrow. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon.
Ano, I could just...
Yan ay Wigo bus, oh. Yesterday we need the Wigo bus. Tanggalin mo yung parking, ano mo yan. Uwi na kami, punta muna kami ng US. Tapos, yung hotel. US, tapos punta kami sa...
parking permits.
Why? Tapos pupunta kami sa factory outlet. Tapos uwi na kami. It's already 10:56 a.m. Bye! Ah. Sa church.
A nice day today.
Basta punta ka ng Niagara, punta ka lang sa church.
I was.
Our Lady of Fatima. Huh?
I'm wearing a t-shirt.
He's wearing a t-shirt.
There's
Sana
snow
allowed
on the
tong
ground.
ano.
There's snow on the ground.
Sana allowed tong camera sa ano sa souvenir area para makita natin kung anong souvenir nila. Let's go to church. And then I like their food here.
Oh, we get to tear the chicken.
We get to eat here again.
The cod. The cod.
We were here last week. So next time, araw nung kailan kami babalik ulit. What do I have? Sila yung mga nag-witness kay Saint Fatima. They are the angels who witnessed Saint Fatima. Is it in the mountain? Huh? Ayun sila, nagdadasal sila. See? They're siblings. They're in heaven now. We're going to Dowling. Dowling. Good morning! Today is February 20. Ano nga, 23? Today is the 23. Is it the 23? Huh? February 23. 2019. Punta kami sa Toronto downtown.
10 more months and it's Christmas and New Year's again.
10 more months, it's Christmas again.
Yeah. That's fast, eh? 2020 cannot wait to come here.
Gusto ko umuwi ng Pilipinas. Uwi tayo ng Pilipinas.
20.
Uwi tayo ng Pilipinas. Ilan na kilometer mo dyan?
19.5.
Oh my God, ang bilis, bilis. 19.5. We're going to the highway. I do a time lapse on the highway. Right.
That's Real Housewives
Say hi.
of Atlanta.
Hi.
And I'll move quickly on to the Kardashians. You know, we've been
We
talking
have
about
dry
this,
face,
talked about it
man.
earlier.
I have dry face. When you live in Canada, you get dry face. I have dry face, dry skin here.
You know,
Here.
rumor was that
Pangit
Kristen was
talaga.
fooling around.
Good morning, people. Today is, what's today? February 27, 1929. The time is 9:47 a.m. 2019, February 19. Time is 9:47 a.m. This is how it looks like early in the morning during snowstorm in Canada. I don't know if you hear me. I might get my mic. Okay. Let's witness the snowstorm. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna go get my mic, Grayson. Ooh, you wait here for Valerie, yes? I'm gonna go get. Hello, everybody. Look at the snowstorm. Say hello, Gray. Hi, Gray. The snowstorm, guys. Look. Look at that. The snow. That's little Grayson there. Dito po ngayon sa ako po ay nasa labas ng bahay. Nasa labas po ako ngayon. At ito po ay snowstorm sa Canada. Look at the snowstorm. Look at that, guys. Look. Hanggang sa tuhod ko yung snow. Look at, guys. This is the snowstorm. Look at that. Are you coming? Are you coming with me? I'm gonna go get my dog. So cold right now, guys. Look. Nasa Alaska ako. Nasa Alaska po tayo ngayon. Let's go there. Let me get that little dog of mine. He's not little. He's a puppy though. He's only 8 months old. Oof. But he's a monster. A big dog. Say hello, Grayson. You see yourself? Say hi. Do you guys see the little dog? He's not really little. Okay. I don't know how to handle this dog and the camera in my other hand. Let's go see. Let's find out. There you go. There's Valerie.
Mom, I was calling you. We were stuck there.
You got stuck there?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oo nga pala, kanina sa mall, nagpunta kami ng Walmart.
Huh?
We went to Walmart a while ago and the camera just turned off by itself. Yeah, I ran. Namatay yung baterya. Nawalan ako ng baterya. Let's go. You guys got stuck there?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go there. Take a picture there. Right there. Snowstorm.
The mic is not on.
Yes, it is. I'm trying to document the snowstorm today. Yes. We are trying to document the snowstorm today. And it's really ugly right now.
Only thing that's ugly is there's snow in my boot.
Tingnan niyo po yung snow. Meron na pong bundok ng snow rito. Hill. Meron ng hill. Ito po yung mga ano namin. Trees namin. And Grayson wants to play. I can't. Grayson, I don't want to play. Come on, Grayson, let's go. It's cold. I'm freezing, guys. I'm cold. So, ngayon, papasok na kami sa loob ng bahay dahil hindi ko na kaya yung lamig dito. Ito yung neighbor namin. Ito po yung aso namin. Let's go, Grayson, let's go. Look. What are you doing, Grayson? Stop dragging me. Okay, ito na po. Na-witness nyo na. Yung snow. Witness the snowstorm in Canada. This is nothing, guys. This is nothing yet. Nothing yet. This is only 60% of the storm that you see right now. Okay, guys. So, I will vlog again later. I guess thank you for watching. And this night is nothing. He's knocking. Come on in. Let's go. Bye, Grayson. Bye, Grayson. Grayson. Okay, let's go. Bye, guys. Wow. Ah, you bad boy.